Yep, very good. Left hand, pull your right knee. Left hand, left hand, pull your right knee. Please put it back on, man.
Okay.
Yeah, please do it.
It's not murmuring.
I wasn't murmuring. If I yelled, that would be considered rude to you, right? Wait. Left hand, right knee. Pull. Pull. Okay, go. Nice. Heel off the ground. Heel off the ground.
Yeah, I know.
Squeeze your ass. Hold. So. Good. Go. Shoulders down. Good. Chin up. Did you hit yourself?
No, hit my chin.
Yeah. So when you hit your chin, that means your chin is this. You want your chin. You want to hit.
Yeah, I know.
You want your chest to be against this bar, so you should be here. You shouldn't be. No, that's wrong. That's why the way you do it is you should be leaned back like this. You shouldn't be straight up. You just now when you lower yourself, you're straight up, right? You should be here, not here. You were here. When you're here, you see how much I'm squeezing my shoulder. Very bad for this. So you have to bring yourself. Listen, bring yourself here. The motion is like this, not like this. See, that's what you did. Oh, right here. Lean yourself back, okay? You should avoid your chin has to be distanced like this much towards the bar. Yeah? Lean back. Chin up. Shit. All the way down. Right. Shoulders down. Stay straight. Okay, knees driving forward, heels on the pad. Okay. Push up with the heels, straight up. That's good. So this is like 45 kg. Just normal. Ready?
Hey, neck. Get it?
Good.
Yeah.
Straight. Head up. Chin up. Do a few reps. Straight up. Be patient. Good. Chest up. Chest up. Straight up. Be patient. Two more. To the right. One more. Chin up. Good. Yep. Very good. Elbows down. Drive with your knees. Straight up. Right. Straight up, straight up, straight up. Wait. Knees pointing outwards. Wait, stop. Knees pointing outwards. A little more. Toes pointing outwards. Yeah, step higher. Okay, go again. Wait, please. Wait. Alright. Kneel. Kneel. Two minutes. One moment.
Okay.
One moment.
Okay.
Okay, one more minute. Alright. Your neck, your neck has to be tilted backwards. Look here. So you can drop your chin, but you can't drop your neck. So this is what dropping your neck is. You have to keep your neck back and you drop your chin, that's fine. But your spine has to be arched. You have to aim to do this. Every time you do any back exercise, to pull up or that, your spine has to be arched. So that goes like that. So here, I tell you keep your head up. You can dip the chin, that's fine. But you can't go like this, because then your spine is curved on the top. So what's the point of having it curved on the bottom when this is already curved? So you can't be in an absolute arched position. So you have to be rowing like this, or like this, but not like that. No. That's why when your chest is on the pad, when you're leaning your chest on here, it's wrong. You have to keep your chest off. You just only put your belly on the pad. Your chest has to be off. You know.
Right.
Pause at the top, hold, squeeze, get a feel of it. That's exactly how it should be throughout the set. Shoulders down. Chest up. Good. Shoulders back, shoulders back, shoulders back, elbows down. Don't drop your shoulders, shoulders back. Roll up, not back, roll up. Spread your legs. Okay. And here, 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 and here.
Oh. Wait.
8 seconds. Oh, stop. That's it. Ah. You got 20 seconds.
Wait. Ah, shit. Hey, the other way. Shit. Oh. Ah. 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 Oh. Ooh. Ooh. What are you doing?
Elbows lower. Where's the belly? Be patient, man. Don't rush. Squeeze the bicep. Contract the bicep. Stretch the bicep. Contract the bicep. Like that. Keep tension on the bicep. Maximum tension. Don't let any other muscle group take over. Switch. Same concept. Let the bicep take over. Maximum stretch, hold, squeeze. Very good. Bend the wrist. problem is they're always trying to complete a rep rather than contract the muscle. Okay? Keep that in mind. Don't complete a rep. Don't
Your
just
brain
go.
is just.
I don't care what your brain is going through. Who cares about what your brain is going through? Think about this. Contract the muscle. If your brain can't take it, then don't do it. Right? But whatever your brain can handle, remember when you're here, your goal is to contract the bicep. Not, oh, my brain is feeling really foggy, therefore I just do it like that. It means nothing. It does nothing for you. Okay? Understand?
Yeah.
Please understand that because you're wasting your time doing this. This means nothing. Okay? You're just rushing the movement. Okay, I got it out. Great. Understand what bad mindset you have when you're approaching this. It's a very bad mindset. Meaning it's a bad habit that you keep doing and you think it's right because no one is correcting you. Therefore, the next time you do it, when you're feeling tired again, you excuse yourself by saying, well, I'm tired, so therefore, at least I did it. No. When you can't handle a weight, just say, okay, I can't do it. Rather than saying, it's heavy, I just get it up. No. It would not help you. You have to aim to contract the muscle. The same way you would do it with a 5 kg, you should do it with a 10 kg, or you're wasting your time. Understand you're wasting your time literally. It's not me trying to be mean. You're wasting your time by grabbing a heavy weight that I've given you and then you just go, it does nothing for you. You don't.
I skip.
Stretch your chest. Press. Chest, chin up, stretch. If you've gotten your mind ready, it would have been a completely different set. Right? Just blame yourself for that. Learn to take criticism properly and improve from that. Okay? Don't take criticism from people just because. Be like that. Okay, this is a better attitude. Okay, but previously, when your eyes are like squinty and stuff, it's not gonna work. Focus on the tricep. Stretch. Stretch. Dead stop, just like how you always do it. Okay, remember how it's done. Okay, the fundamentals matter. Dead stop in the bottom, Explode up, stretch the back of the tricep, stop, explode, and then just carry on, okay? It never changes. Same with the next rep. Again, stretch. Okay, the breathing is good. Like that. You will not have that attitude, this one that you have right now, which is the positive one. You will keep coughing and having a weird breathing. It's not gonna work. Both triceps. No. Facing upwards. Facing up. Okay? Get into it right away, okay? Don't wander around. Don't think that it's over. It's not over. Okay, keep going and going and going. No matter how sick you are, don't let it ruin your set. It's your set. No one else's set. It's your set. See, there you go again. That's a wrong mindset. Right? Open up your eyes. You know, focus on going through the next rep, and let your body tell you when it's done, not your mind. Don't let your mind tell you that it's over. Okay, let your body, tell you what you're supposed to do. When you have bad attitude, you end it before you're actually done. So you shouldn't be that way. That's all. Right?
No.
focus on. Up yourself. Know your limits.